are reeling in fear and anxiety over the latest news that $1 is equal to 800 Naira currently. But to be honest with you, this doesn't have to be a sad news for you watching me right now, because in the same country there are people that are hoping, wishing and praying that $1 equal to 1,000 Naira currently, because they are earning in USD. And if you are among those that will say, God forbid that $1 will equal to 1,000 Naira, that means you are really on the wrong lane, because it will do you more harm than good when you focus your energy over things you have no control over. Instead, why not focus your energy over things you can control to be in the right lane? And that is why I'm going to share with you 7 ways to correct yourself. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm not only going to share with you these 7 ways, I will also mention to you ways and things you can do to earn in USD right here in Nigeria. So if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. But before I go into detail, I first of all want to say thank you so much to Adrian Edewo, because I was on a call with a friend that almost have a panic attack when she heard about the news. So she called me and was explaining, whining, and all the whole complaint in the whole world. But I was so calm, and she was asking me for help, what should she do and all that. So just while I was in that state and thinking of what to do and what to say, I now received a newsletter from Adrian Edewo, and it really came handy. And since I'm a YouTuber, why not let me create a video aspect of it and share with the world? So thank you so much, Adrian. The first thing you need to do to be in the right lane is do not panic. If you are living in Nigeria and you have survived all these things that has happened before now, and you are here watching me, you need to tap yourself and tell yourself, well done, Ijapari. Mention your name. Well done, Ijapari. If you have survived all this, this will also pass. So believe in yourself and do not panic. The second thing you need to do is to turn off the news and protect yourself from negative energy. Some of us sign up and on notification for 500 different news. This one will be coming, that one will be coming, and the panic will set in. Please, this is the time for you to unfollow all this, some of this news and notification that will be sending you, that will even increase your panic and anxiety. Unfollow them. Only follow the ones that will also provide solution, not the ones that will increase your panic right now. The third thing you need to do is to build your mindset and faith for success. If Ijapari, a mother of 4 blessed kids, can do it, I can do it also. That is the mindset right now. You need to believe in yourself. There are a lot of people right now in this country that are benefiting from this, and you also can benefit from that, because there is no need for you crying over things you cannot control. Focus your energy on the things you can control. Build on your faith for success. All right. The fourth thing you need to do is to listen to the solution providers. Yes, there are so much news that are saturated everywhere, but right now you need to listen to solution providers. Don't fall victim of get rich quick. Okay, as you are listening to all this news, there are a lot of schemes that will come up that all they want to do is to scam you. So please filter the information you are getting right now, and don't be a victim of get rich quick. Follow solution providers. If you have not liked this video, if you are not following me, you are on the wrong lane. Go. All right. So the fifth way is, please don't be quick to liquidate your investment. There are some of us now, because of this, people will start liquidating their investment. This is not the right time. You should know that in the past, things like this has been happening, even though it's not exactly like this. It has happened to other countries, and it will also come to pass. So don't be too fast to liquidate, except is on extreme cases. All right, just like cryptocurrency now. There are a lot of people that because of the fall, they out of panic and all that, they just went and sold it all, and in few months or years from now, you'll be surprised at the rate at which it will get to, right? The sixth thing to do is to invest in personal development. Improve that skills that you have learned. There are millions of people out there looking for information only you could offer. Some of us, we have learned so many things, join WhatsApp group, join this training, join that, but we don't take action. This is the time for you to invest in personal development. And please, don't come up with that I am not techie thing. If at this time you are still saying you are not techie, that means you are really in a very, very long and wrong lane. So you need to invest in personal development, read books, follow positive people, develop your skill set, and all that is going to help you a lot. The seventh is look for legitimate opportunity to earn in US dollars. Just like I recently posted this video, my top 3 ways that I make money in USD right here in Nigeria. I did even add my Amazon. I write and publish books on Amazon. I make money from there. I make money from Fiverr. Fiverr pay me in USD. I make money from TikTok. I make money from YouTube. I make money from Poppo. And all this that I mentioned, I did not pay a dime, okay, to start making money from them. But all is what I put in my hard work. I learn and I practice and I put them to action. So the video I mentioned, I'm going to drop it in the description of this video and in the comment section. I have a lot of videos on different ways you can make money on the internet, on Fiverr. And for those that want to learn skills, I have videos that I've taught about that also. So check the comment section, and if there is anything you want to learn and you did not see there, you can also ask in the comment section. So just drop it. And then if you want me to make another practical video explaining to you how to make money on the internet, please comment make money on the internet in the comment section. So thank you so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.